Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about Kalyani Group subsidiary companies and its major funding to major listing companies and unlisting companies by its BF Limited Investment Limited. Friends, first coming to Kalyani subsidiary companies, Kalyani Rafael Advanced System, Kalyani Technologies Limited, Kalyani's Global Engineering Private Limited, Kalyani Techno Forge Limited. These companies mainly involved in manufacturing of defense equipments. And Kalyani Group has been a traditional supplier over past 35 years of component and subcomponent supply to Indian defense, including a wide range of safety and critical components and MBTS, BM-21 rockets and self-made destructors like that. And first Indian private prime sector which receives one of the largest FDI. And recently Kalyani Rafael Advanced System bags 100 million missile kit order to defense manufacturer Bharat Dynamics Limited. And Kalyani Group is one of the leading industrial house in India. Established in 1960s, is an international Indian multinational with high technology, engineering and manufacturing capability across sectors such as engineering, steel, automotive, industrial, renewable, urban infrastructure and specialty chemicals, and manufacturing footprints across India, Germany, Sweden, France, North America. Now we will discuss in detail in these all sectors. First, specialty chemicals. Under this we have three companies, and Kalyani Steels itself has four subsidiary companies, and Kalyani Steel Limited has earned the status of preferred steel supplier for engineering, automotive, stainless tubes and primary aluminum industry. And next, automotive sector. In these four main companies are there. Under four main companies, Bharat Forge is listed one, in which it has 16 subsidiaries, and its main components supply comes under car components, export and thermal power plants, oil and gas, rail industry, marine, aerospace, construction and mining. In these sectors, Bharat Forge provides component products. And coming to power, it has Alstom, Bharat Forge Power and BF Infrastructure. And coming to infrastructure, Kalyan Group has BF Utilities Company, which is highway corridors and infrastructure developments in urban areas. Mainly it looks BF Utilities. You can see in my separate video for BF Utilities. Next, specialty chemical manufacturing by Heckel, which gives pharma, life science and agrochemical specialties and R&D services to the top companies of India. So friends, these are the information provided for Kalyan Group. Thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel, share my channel.